So first we can go to Visual Studio and then search this Neo smart contract plugin, and then we do search by Neo contract. And then you can download and install it into your Visual Studio 2017. Once it's done, you can start creating your project, and then you got the option of Neo contract. It will come with all the C# libraries that you need to run this smart contract. Once it's done, it will download the libraries you need, put into the references, which is that one, Neo Smart Contract Frameworks, including all the libraries that you need. And I'm doing this Hello World example. It says, welcome to Neo, and print out the parameters I accept from the main function. And then I can build the smart contract. It's going to compile the C# file into the AVM file and ABI file that the blockchain uses. And then I can use the AVM file to deploy it to Neo Private Net. And then you go to your wallet, you open the wallet with enough gas because we need some fee to actually deploy a smart contract. That wallet has enough. It's like 10,000 yuan gas. And then I can see SC load and run. Load and run is the command, and then we test this AVM file. We pass some parameter and then test to see the result if it's correct or not. I'm putting NYC in there as my parameter, and it's print out welcome to New York City, which means it runs correct on blockchain. And then I can deploy it. It's SC deploy with the file, and then false means no storage, no dynamic invoke, no payable. And then I put a little bit more information in there. Then it will be deployed into on blockchain. And then it costs 90 gas, the basic gas fees that we'll need. And then it's executed on chain. Now we can go to the blockchain browser and then see this transaction is generated. It costs 90 gas deploying a smart contract on your private net. And now I can actually search this contract, use the search function. You remember the information we provide, like name, description. We can search the smart contract by any of that. And then we need this script hash to actually invoke the transaction. It's like the ID for this smart contract. And then we do SC invoke with the script hash, and then I also use New York City. So this is actually calling the smart contract now because it's already included on blockchain. It costs a little bit of fee to actually execute it on Neo. And then it's also print out welcome to Neo New York City. And then go to the browser and you got your new transaction.